Hello friends, welcome to Insta YouTube Shorts.
Do have people who probably get inspired looking at you. There can be any amount of people, but you do have a following, and only if you show them what you're doing, they follow by your example. A lot of them actually do. So I understood that I really need to get out there and show them that this is what I have been doing. This is what the requirement is, and if you want, you can come and help. So that is where I decided to start this initiative called Be the Miracle. It's just about making a difference to a person's life, and I decided to start this initiative with a group of people. And I want to firstly thank the commissioner here, Mr. Sajjanar, who's been of great help, and Mrs. Aruna Bahuguna, who's been doing a great job with Roti Bank. And Roti Bank is the first organization that we have associated with. And as you can see, like I have already put out a video that I put out yesterday, which actually where I've literally gone out in the field to actually bring out to you the reality. So yeah, I mean that's how the initiative came into being, and I finally had the courage to actually get out and just ask people that I am not enough. It's not enough that I can donate as much, but there is so much more need outside, and we all need to come together.
But I think it makes a huge difference, when a celebrity, when a star who has such a huge following actually steps up, because then you're leading by example. And we've seen a lot of debate on this about, celebrities not having the right kind of reaction, not doing enough. What made you decide that, look, I have to be out there, I need to do something to help people amid this?
See, I have never really cared about what other people will think of you, because I know personally what I have been doing, and I really don't go by what anyone says, because then you cannot live your life. You should be answerable to your conscience that you're doing good enough and you're doing great work that's making you happy. And as we've all learned, I think, in our culture or in our value system, that जब आप दान करते हैं तो एक हाथ को पता नहीं चलना चाहिए कि दूसरा हाथ कितना दे रहा है. That there's this thing that we say. So I always had this tussle inside my heart that I'm doing it, but people are asking me to make it public that you're doing this, and it somewhere didn't really go well with me. It hasn't gone well down with me.
So you had a fear that it would be deemed a publicity stunt?
No, not really a publicity stunt, but do I really want to do this? Do I want that attention? No, I don't want it. I just want to do it in my own way, in my own little way. But see, that's why the reason for me going on the field was the fact that sitting in the comfort of my home, I can do a video and I can say, okay guys, I am supporting this, I have given my money, you donate. Right? I'm sitting in the comfort of my home. I personally would not know what the reality is. And that is when I decided to get out there, and I was like, if I have to convince people, or if I have to make sure that, tomorrow somebody is donating to an initiative that I have started, they should have faith that their money will go to the right place. That this is what the reality is, and this is what is helping them, and this is where it's going. So, yeah, that was also one of the reasons for